Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make some tie-dye masks. Like a lot of other people, I sewed a lot of masks so far and I gave them away to friends and family. So for this next batch, I decided to do something different, buy some blanks and tie-dye them. First thing, I had to go in the garage to find my tie-dye. Oh my god, I see it, there it is. Okay, let's see if there's any inside. First thing you want to do is prep your work surface. I put a board so that I could move it into the other room easily. Line it with a trash bag because the dye is going to run all over the place. So you want to keep it contained. Some plastic gloves and some rubber bands and your tie-dye kit. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I have done a lot of tie-dye videos. This is my favorite dye. It's the concentrated dye powder in this little bottle. All you have to do is add the water to the fill line and then shake it up. You can pre-wash your fabric beforehand to remove the sizing. I didn't do that at this point. I went ahead and rubber banded all of these and then I misted them with water so they were nice and damp. And then I did an Instagram live when I was dyeing all of these and I forgot to save it. Anyway, I used fuchsia, yellow, and blue. And from those three colors, I had plenty to cover. Let's see, I think I had like almost 3 dozen masks with beautiful purple tones, green, blue, hot pink. Once they're all dyed, you want to cover it with plastic and set it for 6 hours. Just leave it alone. Put it aside. And you want the dye to activate. After that, rinse them until the water runs clear. The goal is to not have any of the dye hit the paper towel. So this is how I can tell if I rinse them thoroughly. Put them in your washing machine with a towel to absorb any excess dye and wash on delicate. Let them air dry, and at that point, you can press them so they look brand new again. I really love how these masks turned out. I did so much sewing. I made so many masks that I just felt like doing something different with them. I will put a link in the description where I bought the blank white mask from a site called shoplumilly.com. And there you have it. You can use the same application for t-shirts, tote bags, whatever you want. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to visit craftychica.com for more ideas. Like, share, and subscribe. Oops, there's my mask. Love it. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.